This is how I have drawn the cylindrical shapes for the tree, and now I'm going to give it a shape, okay, so that it looks more beautiful. As I'm going to finish it, okay, so I'm going to remove these cylindrical lines which I have drawn to create this tree, okay. Look at the way I'm drawing the bark, the way I'm using my pencil. It is a normal pencil. You can take any pencil. I am using, I think the name has gone, Apsara only. It actually has the lead of 4B. So if you are using the 4B pencil also, nothing like that. Today I'm just going to draw the bark. I'll finish this tomorrow when I'll teach you how to draw the leaves. Okay, so stay tuned for tomorrow's lesson as well. This is how lightly I'm drawing the broken lines along so that it can give the texture of a bark. Here like this with a very light hand, because we need to show the brightness also. If you look at the tree very carefully, it is not at all entirely dark, okay. So take care of the base also. It's light and dark, just like this. I'll be using the blending stump along so that it can give a little bit, texture and make the tree look vibrant. I mean, the bark look vibrant. So this is how the bark has come. I hope you have enjoyed the process and draw the tree bark obviously more beautifully. This is the best I could show it to you. Thank you for your time. Thank you. See you tomorrow in next lesson when we draw leaves around the tree. Okay. Thank you.